Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 15 Probability. Today we are going to see the second part of the introduction. This second part of introduction is very important for any question that is asked regarding the cards. So in this introduction part, we are going to study in detail about the cards. So some of you must be knowing and some of you must be not knowing about the cards. So we need to know the detailed information about the cards. So if you know the detailed information about the cards, then it becomes easy for you to attempt any question based on cards. So now let us see the probability in a pack of 52 cards. You all of us must have seen the cards that we play. So in that cards, there are total number of cards are 52. So total 52 cards are there in a pack, and that is divided into 4 decks, or you can say 4 sets. So there are 4 decks of cards are there, and each deck will have 13 cards. So that means total 52. So each set of cards, there are 13 cards are there. So there is something called diamond, then something called heart, then something called club, and something called spade. So these are the symbols you will see in the cards. So there are 13 cards will have a symbol of diamond, 13 cards will have a symbol of heart, and 13 cards will have the symbol of club, and 13 cards will have the symbol of spade. Now let us see the each 13 cards. So here are the card you have. Here, this is called diamond, you see, the symbol. So you have the symbol diamond and you have the symbol diamond here. So this set of cards, so you will have a diamond shape, 13 cards are there, and then it begins from ace card. So the first card, we say ace card, in that capital A will be written, here you see, capital A is written. Then follows 2, 3, 4, because 1 is not written, it is a ace card where capital A is there. Then it continues with numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after 10 comes jack and queen and king. So likewise, each set you will see like this only, ace card but will be symbol of heart, and then you will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after 10 comes jack, queen and king. Same way in club also you will see same. So same set of cards but with the different symbols. So here I'll just show you one. So you have ace card, then you have 2, then you have 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9, somewhere it gone, 10. Then after 10 you have something called jack, that is this. This is called jack. And then you have queen. So this is called queen. And then you have king. So this is called king. So that's how the whole set is made. So same way you will have for here also. For this set also you will see heart. So you will have the shape of heart here. So first you had the shape of diamond. Now you have the shape of heart. So heart also you will see the number same way up to 10. Then you will have jack, queen and king. So you have here jack, queen and king. After 10 comes jack, queen and king with the symbol heart. So same way you have club. So club you will have the same set, 13 cards with this symbol, and then ace card will have this symbol club, and then starts with the numbers. Then you have to 10. Then after 10 you will have Up to 10 you have. So up to 10 you have. Then you will have jack, queen and king. So same way you will have for the spade also. So for spade also you will see here the symbol a spade, you will have here spade, and then all the numbers up to 10. Then you have jack, queen and king. So same way all the 4 sets will have the same numbers, but the shapes are different. So one set will have a diamond shape, another set heart, then club, then spade. So like that we have 4 sets and each set is having 13 cards. Now what you have to know in this is, first of all, total number of cards. So the total number, so 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus, the total number of cards are 52. And in that 52, you have 26 red cards. So 13 plus 13, total 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So here 13 plus 13, 26 black cards. So total 52. Then something called face cards. Face cards means I have already told you the cards that are having a face. For example, these cards are having the face. So jack, queen and king. So these are known as face cards. So these are known as face cards. Here also you have face cards because they have got the faces there. So face cards. So here also you have all 3 face cards. So these are known as face cards because face is there in the card. So jack, queen and king. So 3 are known as face cards. Then total number of face cards. So how many? Here you have 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total you have 12 face cards. So face cards you have 12 you have. So these are the information which you have to know, because based on this any question can be asked. You'll be able to answer if you know this information. Now for example, if it is asked, what is the probability of getting number 2? Okay, what is the probability of getting 2 number in the cards? So if you see, 2 can be from the diamond shape, 2 can be from the heart, 2 can be from the club shape, 2 can be from the spade. So there are total 4 possibilities are there for 2 to come, and the total number of cards are 52. So from all these cards there are 4 probabilities of 2 to come. So it will be 4 divided by total number of cards are 52, because from here the possibility for 2 to come is 52. So total number is 52. Now if it is mentioned specifically, what is the probability of getting number 2 of red color? So if red color if they mention, then you have only these 2 set which is red color. So then you will not write total as a 52. From within this red color, that is 13 plus 13, we have 26. We have 26 red cards. So then you can say out of 26 red cards, the probability for 2 will be 2 times. So here it can be of diamond, can be of heart. So there are 2 possibilities are there for 2 to come out of 26 red cards, because they are mentioned specifically for red card. So if they ask you, what is the probability of getting jack from black cards? So if it is mentioned black cards, then you have to see the total number of black cards here, 26. From 26 there are 2 possibilities are there for jack to come, from club shaped and from spade shaped. So from the club shaped jack can come, from the spade shaped also jack can come. So there are 2 possibilities and the total number will be 26 because black cards it is mentioned. If it is not mentioned any color, red or black, randomly they say from the cards what is the probability of getting king, then king means Or if they say face cards, let's take face cards. So what is the probability of getting face cards? Randomly they are saying face cards. That means face cards can be from all these 4 sets. So total there are 12 face cards are there, and then total number of cards are 52. But if they say red color, then you have to see red means you have sorry. So red means you have here 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 possibilities are there for the face cards, and the total red cards here it will be 3 plus 3, 6. So total number is 6, and for king to come there are 2 possibilities are there. So 2 by 6. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.